Nongpoh MLA Mayralborn Syiem and Mawhati MLA Charles Marngar had met the Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong today, who also holds the PWD roads portfolio, to formally submit a petition requesting key infrastructure development in Ri Bhoi district. The legislators urged upon the Deputy Chief Minister to prioritize the construction of a 10-kilometer road linking Sintu Mau to Umdokha village. In addition, they sought the government's approval and support for building a major bridge over the Umsiang River at Paham Dingan village. According to the petition, the proposed bridge would play a crucial role in connecting 22 villages in the region to essential public services, significantly improving accessibility and boosting local development.
We had a privilege to meet the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Prestone Tynsong, under the delegation of the 22 villages in the name of the Joint Action Committee. In the presence of Charles Marngar, my colleague, MLA from Mawhati, and the MDC from Nongpoh also, we are together. And especially to all the headmen of the concerned villages, which include of 22 villages. Our concern is that to bring the connectivity closer to people. Where we had an opportunity to meet today and to raise the concern and the issues based on the needs and requirement of the people at large. And the Joint Action Committee has submitted the memorandum recommended by us as concerned representative from Nongpoh and Mawhati constituency. And we are happy that the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD Road, he has listened very keenly and he has assured the delegation that it will be taken up immediately at the earliest. We have discussed thoroughly the ways and means, and we hopeful that it will be included in the PMGSY4 in the current financial year. So I hope that this will be beneficial for the people at large, especially for the patient, especially for the traders, especially for any people, farmer, to reach out to the concerned market, especially for the people of Mawhati and Sodiran area and Mautari area. They can travel to the district headquarters Nongpoh via Umben. It will be a great help to each and every citizen of this particular villages.
How long is this?
It is 10 kilometers approximately, and we are waiting to the final alignment verification.